Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to mark friends as favorites in Discord Mobile, step by step. This updated method makes it super easy to keep your most important conversations right at the top, so you'll never miss a message from them again. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app. Once you're inside, you'll see all your servers and chats. But for this process, we'll focus on the direct messages section. Tap on Messages to open your list of personal chats. This is where you'll find all the people you've been talking to privately. Next, locate the chat of the friend you want to mark as a favorite and open it. When their chat opens, look at the top of the screen where their name appears. Tap on their name to bring up their profile and chat options. Here, you'll notice a few icons and menus depending on your version of Discord Mobile. What you're looking for is the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap those three dots to open the Additional Options menu. Now, you'll see several useful tools and settings related to this friend. But in this case, you simply need to tap Favorite. Once you tap it, Discord will instantly mark that friend as one of your favorites. And that's it. You've successfully marked your friend as a favorite on Discord.